Hurricane Harvey, Hurricane Sandy, Hurricane Ike, Hurricane Katrina. Have you ever wondered how these hurricanes were formed? Well, I would like to inform you. First, we will cover the tropical disturbance and tropical depression. Then we will look at the tropical storm. And lastly, we will cover the tropical cyclone or hurricane. According to SciJinx, the first stage of a hurricane is called the tropical disturbance, which is caused by warm ocean condensing to form clouds and release heat into the air. When warm air rises and is pulled into the column of clouds, evaporation and condensation continue, building the cloud columns higher and larger. The wind circulates around a center, causing a pattern and eventually a cluster of thunderstorm cloud. After the tropical disturbance comes the tropical depression. Heat energy is released, the air at the top of the clouds becomes warmer and makes the air pressure higher, causing winds to move outward away from the high pressure. Winds in the storm cloud columns spin faster and faster, and when they reach between 25 and 38 miles per hour, the storm is announced as a tropical depression. Now that we just discussed the tropical disturbance and tropical depression, we will now look at the tropical storm. According to SciJinx and University of Illinois, when the wind reaches between 39 and 73 miles per hour, the tropical depression becomes a tropical storm. The winds turn and twist faster around the eye or the calm center of the storm. This stage is usually when the storm gets its name. Now that we just covered the tropical storm, we will look at the last stage called the tropical cyclone or hurricane. According to SciJinx, when the wind speeds reach 74 miles per hour and surface pressures continue to fall, the storm becomes a tropical cyclone. Hurricanes are usually at least 50,000 feet high and about 125 miles across. Now I will demonstrate how a hurricane is formed by using a warm bowl of water, a stir, some oil, and some foam. So first, you want to take your stir and you want to spin the water. You can take at least 30 seconds to do so it can get into a circular motion. Okay. Now, take your oil, put droplets in the middle, and stir that some more for about 30 seconds. Okay, got that in a circular motion. And now you'll take your foam, this represents the clouds of the hurricane, and now you're just gonna stir that. And now you have your hurricane. As you can see, the middle is really thick because that represents the eye or the calm center. So that is how you form a hurricane, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.